There we go. Inferno for men.
Ah! Get the fuck?
Fucking badger! Goddamn badger! Who lets a badger loose in a fucking house? Set it on fire, quick!
We're freezing our buns off out here.
Did you see that badger? The fucking huge honey badger in the house.
Thank you. I'll be here all week.
There it goes again.
Jesus Christ, that thing freaked me out.
What was it? Are you okay?
It was like a bear or a tiger or something.
Oh, it was just a cute little baby Wolverine.
Oh, it's a Wolverine.
Baby.
Don't worry, buddy. You're gonna be a big boy soon.
Is this all of them? There's only 4 of them left.